Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm working on a 2006 Lexus IS250. So right now the customer complaint was there's no AC, so it doesn't blow out any air. So I have everything on right now. You can see the fan is on, but right here, let me show you. So right away, using my power probe, I can see that I have ground, but there's no power going into the blow motor. So let me show you guys. So there's ground. This one's a 5-volt, that little one reference, and the blue one's supposed to be power, but there's no power at all. You can see now I have to put power in order for the blow motor to spin. You can see. Let me try it again. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. So you can see I put power in and the fan is blowing, but so when I touch it, there's no power. So this blue wire is supposed to be hot at all times, so there should be power, but there's no power. So I have to use my power probe to give it power. So I went to look up on the computer, looked at the diagram, and it shows me where it gets the power from. So this whole fuse link right here, the big piece. So right away I can see that. Let me see if you guys can see it, but it's kind of a tight spot. But this little one right here, the one I'm pointing at, the terminal down here is burnt out. So when I put power, I use my power probe to put power in here, the fan spins. Now I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put power from the fuse box into the blow motor, and you're going to see the fan spin. So here's the better angle at the terminal. Let me focus it. You can see the terminal is weird looking than all the other ones. You can see all the other ones are good. You can see, and this one is the one for the blower motor, which is burnt out. Just remove the battery out of the way, remove the cover here, and I use 3 or 4 of my small flathead right here. So what you're gonna do is, you see this little tab right here, you're just gonna pry them back. You see how it can move right here? You just gotta pry them back because it's hooked onto this cover right here. So you just gotta pry them back, but there's about, like, I think there's 4 of them or 5. And then once you pry them all at the same time, it should pop out a whole piece like that. You can see there's like little tabs right here too. Also, you can see that you need to pry it back, and there's 2 tabs right here on top. You can see it too. Also, pry these 2 tabs out. It's sitting on the box right here on this side, and I go ahead and remove the cover on the outside. There's 4 bolts. 3 holding on to it. And now this is the part number for the fuse right here. That's the whole part number. So this part you only buy them at the dealership. They have them at dealership. You can buy them used, but I don't trust used part. Just buy them OEM at the dealership. Whole block of fuse right here. You're gonna remove the 4 bolts right here. That's the wire that's holding on to the fuse. Leave this one too. Get the fuse blocks to separate from this part. You're gonna pull this part down. You're gonna push it down. Push this part down and pull this part up. At the same time, you're gonna press out all the tab right here on the side. Press on the tab, push this down, and pull this up, so that way you can separate them out. And then here are the other 4 wires. Now notice that on this side, when I took it out, one of the wires kind of loose, and it melted the cover right here a little bit. So here is how all the wire sits. Now here is my new one, and you can see the 5th one down, counting down from here. So the 5th one down, you can see this one is all the same as the other one. See how the little terminal looks all shiny. So this is the new one, and here's the part number. So now I put all the wires back on the fuse block. So this is how it looks like. Now to get the connector out, you're gonna press on this tab, press it down and pull it down. Let me show you the other side. Here is the other side. Looks just like that. So you're gonna pull this on top and then press it down. Everything should line up just like that. Now I got the outside fuse cover back. Make sure you put this cover first, and then you can put the battery tray on top of it. For this cable right here, I just slide it from the top down, tighten the bolt down. Forgot to show you guys this part. For this terminal right here, you're gonna pull on this black tab, pull it up, and then you can pull the lock this way to get it to unlock. And this one, press down and pull out. Same thing for this one. The big one's also the same as this one. Then you can put your battery tray on top back, and then the battery. So now everything is back to normal. I'm gonna go put back the blow motor now. Before I put the blow motor back, I'm gonna test it to see if it blows now. It should. Let's see. Okay. Yep. And you can see the fan is blowing. You turn it down. There you go. I'm gonna turn it off. See if it's off. There you go. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Fan blow. That's it. So if you guys wondering the blow motor part number, that's the part number right there. This is original. Now this one I would say costs around like $200 around there. Now you can put the 3 bolts back to the blow motor and your 2 cover on the bottom. This part, the fusible link, I bought it for $160, but if you guys buy it, it's gonna be around like $200 new. Never buy used. Let me double check it again. Dang, this thing is loud. Yes, the wind is blowing. That is good. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll keep you guys updated. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. That's it. Peace.